Roger that. Clear the taxi back.
Well, everything doesn't look 100%. We brief every morning. It's going to be a no-go if we're not 100% for any reason. So everybody cross your fingers right now. This is an absolutely incredible air show. While he's tracking down, it gives you a chance to talk about Randy Ball's
I'm like, who are you with? You don't know anybody.
Yeah, well, why go to say other cinema? Why you're so long?
October 19, 2024 was his 1800th show to the Davenport. No other American jet demo pilot even comes close. There's a photo pass for you. Randy likes to say for all the children out there, he spends a lot of time with the Civil Air Patrol cadets. He helped found the Cedar Creek Veterans Foundation and puts on thunder over Cedar Creek Lake. Coming in for show right. You asked me for the country.
Jackies is MiG on the deck. Rockstar, Jackies.